are back on the beach once again for another cook up. So it's really windy, you know, the sun is really not that hot, but it's really nice. And just look at this amazing view.
Yeah guys, so it's just like she said, we're out here. The view is, I wouldn't say it's an amazing view, but it's great, you know, to be out here by the ocean. The sea is, as usual out here, pretty rough, so I'm not sure this is like the best beach to actually swim on or whatever. But anyway, in today's video, we're gonna be doing two dishes actually. So I'll be doing a part one and a part two, and the first dish is gonna be octopus. Now, I don't think I've ever cooked octopus before, and that's one of the reasons why I'm out here on this beach. I like challenging things. The last time I was out here, I was just like, yo, hell no. But today I'm gonna actually be making an octopus dish, and it's gonna be fried octopus. We're gonna do it up into a salad. So today's dish is gonna be a little bit more healthy. And then after that, you guys have to wait for the next video for me to tell you what the next dish will be. But anyhow, we're gonna large up Sarah really quick for actually coming back out here again, because she did say she don't think she'd ever go back out on this exact beach. But you don't know, the food on Soai vlogs, it's gonna make you wanna come back, right?
True.
So anyway, the first task today is to actually get Sarah this time to start the fire. So that's what we work on today. Again, this is gonna be really easy. Any steps that might be missing, I'm gonna put it in the description box so you guys can catch that. I remember to check out our page, which is Knots with 2 T's, KNOTTS_JA, and that's on Instagram, right? You've been working pretty hard on some pieces.
Yep. You'll soon see them, guys. You'll soon see them.
All right, so anyway, let's start on working on that fire. All right, guys, so right now, Sarah is starting to work on the fire. She's watched a couple of the videos, so I'm interested to see if she knows what she's doing, yo, like, honestly. So,
Just winging it.
what exactly is the first step for you?
Okay, so I'm assuming that you know, have the coal. You know, we'll have some sticks. So you just want to set it a certain way so that everything is able to.
What do you mean by a certain way?
Alright. I don't know, just put them in a one
You know, watch your video there, man.
No, but you see, if we're going to put like actual pots on this now, then you level it off for the pots to be able to, you know, balance. But seeing as how we're just going to start the fire, you want to be able to have everything catching, you know, so every little stick, I have a little, you know, spark. Oh, and these things that actually help to, you know, spread the fire quicker, or so I think. Yeah, so you want to make sure you have these things on top to, you know, once you get that spark, hit that. So it's good to go. You know, little dry bush or tree bark. Oh yeah, this is supposed to then start it now.
All right, let me, I don't mean to stop you and correct you, but you're doing this, what you're doing, you're tightening the air gaps in there. Okay. When you're making a fire, it's more like, well, for me, it's a crisscross pattern where you're trying to get as much air in between. So you see that? There's different sections. And for this particular fire, how I'm going to do it, you can put the pot directly on top of the coal.
Okay. Alright, so lighting time now.
Alright, so this makes it a bit easier. Not just for her, but also for me because it's windy out here. So let's see how you do.
Alright, so this is gonna be a one go. Quick and fast thing.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. Watch it go.
There's actually one thing you're doing completely wrong. I gave you 2 items just now. You chose to use one.
Yes, that's so true. The fire starter.
It's always cool having people out here because again, you watch the videos, I might explain a thing here or there, but the information is not like, yeah. You have to really have to be doing it consistently to kind of get it. And forgive me, I know some person's going to be saying, like, why don't you make her do it? We're running against time. So if I can help her along quickly so the night doesn't catch us. Yeah. This was even hard for me the last time.
See? Bingo.
Yeah, but it's not on any sticks. Alright, let's see how it goes. The great part about being out here is that with these wood, them easy to catch. They're just very light, and I like that. So I think she might have gotten it. Next thing, anything that's flammable, you don't keep it close to the flame. Well, I would say that was caught. Good job. Alright, so to walk you guys really quickly through the ingredients. The ingredients are basic. You have the leafy greens. So I have some romaine lettuce, some regular lettuce that you have, some watercress. We're going to be using some shishito peppers, also some long bell peppers as well. And yeah, we're going to have the octopus fried up. We're going to make a special sauce for that. And I don't think I'm leaving anything out, and that's basically it. So I'm going to cut up everything really quick. Get my hands clean, get everything started. Yeah, I'm going to be cutting up today because you don't know, in the interest of time, the Soai is a little bit slow. But anyway, I'm going to be doing that really quick and get this show on the road. But I like up here, it's just a nice, beautiful view, I won't lie. It's a little bit more elevated. You can see the crashing rough seas. It's a vibe up here, man. Alright, so you guys can see our ingredients here. This bell pepper is just really beautiful, but I chose this one because this pepper, I chose it because of the color. So we have that, some tomatoes, and these are the shishito peppers. They are not hot actually. You can bite into them. They're similar flavor to a regular green pepper, but just a little bit more, a slight kick, but nothing really. So we're just cutting the tomatoes. To be honest, I might remove the seeds out of them because I don't want the salad to be like too wet. If you get what I'm saying. So this is gonna add a lot of wetness to it. I don't want so much from that. Of course you eat it because it's good vitamin C. It's actually a nice tomato.
Yeah, man, you can actually send the rest of it.
Huh?
You can send the rest of it.
They're really nice. You say one rest I see them.
Yes.
It's really good. It's just my choice preference. If you don't mind having the seed in, no problem. I just don't want it to be too soggy, you know? So I'm leaving a little bit of the seeds on there, not trying to get rid of everybody. And Sarah wants the rest. Sometimes when I go to the supermarket, I'll just, anything I see that I've never tried before, a new ingredient, I'll pick it up, yo. You know, can't be too afraid to try new ingredients. And sometimes just bite into them. You know, see exactly what it's like. Wanna bite into this one?
That pepper is called?
Huh?
What's it called?
It's a shushito pepper.
Shushito?
Shushito, yeah. It's actually locally grown, so it's out here.
Why not just do it like it?
You blew on the pepper? Ah. You don't like it?
Has an acquired taste.
Huh?
Like, it has an acquired taste. Like, you have to, when that first bite isn't all that great, but
Yeah.
it kind of tastes like the tomato in some sense.
Tastes like the tomato?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I'm gonna taste the green one.
Hmm?
I'm gonna taste the green one. Come on, this one is not it.
You don't like the green one?
No, sir.
Eh. So do you like salads any at all?
Once it has like cheese and, you know, a nice salad dressing.
Cheese.
But
So you're
yeah,
saying once it has cheese and a nice salad dressing,
yeah, a nice fresh lettuce.
fresh lettuce.
Yeah, tomatoes. I
Tomato.
prefer if the tomato is like very firm, so it's not that soggy or, you know, too runny for me.
So I've never had a pepper like this, so I don't even know what it looks like inside. Yeah, it's similar to the regular green pepper. Seed. And this is just like good in earth material, so if you put it into the ground, it's gonna perish within like a week.
Looks like you make a good stuffing.
It could make a good stuffing, yeah, you're right. And these parts, I don't know, instinctively I get rid of them because they kind of, it feels like fiber. Just doesn't feel good, so I just get rid of them. Feels very spongy. But if those are good parts and you know, just let me know in the comments. It just has a very, it's very bland.
Is there a reason why you cut them up like that?
Cut them up like this,
Yeah.
because I want to see the pepper. So it's more for, of course, uniformity. This is actually sweet.
You just said it was black.
No, that part of it, but down here has a sweetness to it. Try it. No? Definitely not a real Rasta. For me, it has a sweetness to it. When I say sweet, I'm not talking sugarcane sweet.
I know. It's a pretty sweet to you.
Yeah, for a pepper. That's why I call it a sweet pepper.
Yes. That's actually true, yeah.
This variety, I don't know about the other one, but this variety is actually, it's pretty decent. So I'm trying to cut them is that when the seasoning is on it, when the sauce, it's gonna be good. So for persons like you who don't like, you know, stuff like this,
That's your flavor.
it should be okay. I have about this much. I don't want to overdo it with the pepper, but I think I'm just gonna finish it because I know if I take this home, I'm not going to
Eat it.
it's gonna wither. I like when my vegetables are fresh. So
Nice color combination.
so that's gonna be that for that. Now already in here, this is where I have the blend of greens. I honestly don't like watercress. It has this kind of bittery, pungent taste, but I think it will add a nice dimension to the salad. Like, yeah. So I just added that. So this is gonna be everybody. I toss that together.
You should try sealing the bag and just shake.
The sorry saying I should try to seal the bag and shake it, but I don't want to be too rough with the greens. So that's why you see people, they always toss the salad like with their hands or with a spoon. All right, so we have this lime. It's going a bit old, but have this lime here. Get rid of all the seeds. I'm just gonna squeeze that into the salad really quick. And again, toss it around. Wait. Almost forgot something good old Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna throw a bit of that in there. I think with a salad you can do whatever you want, yo. Like there's not many rules. Just keep it fresh. So like Sarah said, you know, some lime, fresh ingredients. But I don't mind a little bit of a kick, like, you know, spice. And I think the Scotch bonnet pepper is gonna do that. So I'll just throw that back in here. And toss it a bit. If I'm to be honest, I haven't had like a good vegetable in a long time, yo. Like a good, like, full-on vegetable dish. Everything's been meat.
Pork.
And pork. So my body knows it's calling for this, so I'm gonna give it to it. All right, so these are all my ingredients. So this is my honey right here, some mustard, some sour cream. This is the main seasoning for even the octopus. It got cayenne powder, ginger powder, black pepper, salt. This is already what's on the octopus marinated already, and some mayo. And we're gonna squeeze some lime on that as well to give it that more, you know, of a fresh flavor. So usually with my recipes, there's not no definite measurement, to be honest. So this same sauce, I'm gonna be using it for the other stuff, for the next dish. No more. Give me the whole thing, the whole sour cream, all of it. So that looks like about 3 teaspoons heaped. And it's not just for one dish, it's for more than one. Pour. shake. With mustard, you have to shake it first. So a little bit, not too much. Like maybe 2 squirts. One more. One more for color. Yeah, using the mustard for a bit of color, a bit of spice. Then we're adding some mayo. Go. More. Squeeze. Stop. And we have this. Give me half of that. Watch the wind. Yeah.
Squeeze everything.
You can give me like half of that. Yeah, stop. Alright, then mix it and taste it and see what you think.
It's all mixed up. Let me taste it now. You have that kick of spice in there, but I would definitely put a little bit more honey, so maybe we can add a little bit more.
Tell me when to stop.
Alright, good. And give it a darker color too. Okay, testing again. Yeah.
That's better. Let me try some.
Ooh! Tastes a little sweeter.
Yeah, way better.
Yeah.
Alright, so we go prepare for our octopus. It's gonna be in a regular fry butter, so a bit of eggs. I don't think I even need 2 eggs to be honest. I might just go with 1. So I think that should be fine to set a small amount of octopus. One thing you guys might realize, especially when you're outdoors in the kitchen, you gotta be fast. Like you can't second guess yourself. Just put the ingredients together. Some ingredients you can be fast with, some you can't. Especially like now, it's about, what time is it now, Sarah? It's somewhere after 4, I believe. 4:43. Now, you guys can see this. This is an octopus. What I did, I pressure cooked it for about an hour, like an hour and a half, just to soften the meat a little bit. And then I threw out some seasoning on it. So the same thing, ginger powder, a bit of onions, scotch bonnet pepper, escallion cut up really fine, some cayenne pepper, and that basically was it. Let it marinate for maybe about 3 hours, and yeah. If you guys know how to cook octopus, don't be afraid to drop it in the comments.
This should be interesting.
Like I said, like I'm no expert on it, so Sarah is not really a big octopus eater. I don't think I am really either.
And I'm down for trying things still, innit?
But it's all about trying things.
Yeah.
You know, trying different ingredients. So I've had it before. I've had jerk octopus out by Little Ochi, and it was so good. So this is it. It looks scary, but yeah. Anyway, so get it in that egg batter. Nice and quick. It's so tender, like the head part is like falling apart, but it's really tender. And of course, the same ingredients, the same cayenne, the same ginger powder, same salt, black pepper is also in the flour as well. So I'm trying to keep the seasoning consistent. So if the egg washes off any of the seasoning, there is some in the flour as well. You see me? Sorry, can you put this back into the mini fridge thing, please? Thank you. Alright, so Gonna make this drain a bit. Yeah. Drop it into the flour. And shake it all about. And I will leave that there because I have to go start up the fire. We're not start up the fire, but put the oil on and everybody. And then we can get into it. Alright, Sarah, second time around cooking in the same spot. How do you feel this time around? Is it worse? Is it better?
It's actually better this time. You know, it's not as bad as the last.
Because you know what to expect?
Yes.
Yeah. I think that's what it is.
And I have these.
Yeah, so what else you got to say to the people?
I'm proud of my fire. Blazing.
Oh, yeah.
I did that.
Oh, stop, yeah. So we're just waiting for the coals to actually burn out a bit. Then I can throw on the pan, drop in the oil, and we can cook up this octopus,
Yes.
chop it up, and then salad is basically done.
I'm actually very excited to taste what the octopus is going to taste like because last time I had it was a little bit rubbery. So I'm
Was
hoping
rubbery?
That, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that Steven, you know, did a great job.
Boy, I hope I can be decent. I think the good part about seafood, they don't really need long to cook. So fish, people have them as like sushi. Octopus the same.
That
So
should take a shorter time too.
yeah, so I'm not really worried. Drop some pimento in there and a garlic clove. Already this oil is hot already. So because it's so hot already,
For the octopus.
I can throw a little octopus in. Yo, there is just a sound, like a primal sound about stuff frying up, bruh. It just gets me excited. Yeah. Yes. Yo, it sounds so good already, but yo, I'm still nervous.
Boy, I feel like it would turn out good though.
You so?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I actually think that today is like a way better day.
Yeah, it is.
It is a way better day.
I mean, it's just as cool. The water looks even more rough, but it's not that hassling.
Yeah.
And I'm just here to watch, learn, and eat.
If you guys want to be a Sarah, hit me up on Instagram if you want to go on any camping trips, because that's something I want to work on eventually. You know, to get as much persons in on the fun. So already I'm flipping this. Already. I'm super nervous about it. I've never fried octopus before. Really? Boy. I hope it's good. Like, it feels kind of firm already. It feels firm. We also want to get a nice golden brown on it. And then that's that. Ooh. Maybe like this will add like a nice texture profile. Yeah, if it's crispy or something, I don't know.
I just hope it's not rubbery. More like
I think it's gonna be rubbery. Like I don't know why. Just based on how firm it feels now.
I mean, even that it's fried, I don't think.
I have no clue.
You give it a judge.
Yeah. Let's see. One thing I forgot is that it's already cooked. So once I get that brown on it, I can take it out. Because it's already cooked from the pressure cooking. Ah, that's it.
Smell it?
Smell good?
Yeah.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know. Let's go up to the top. Let's cut it up. Let's throw it on a salad and let's see. I'm being super careful. Heading up to the little cookout spot. Has a nice little sunset going on here. All right. Knocking the sand out my boot. Oh my God. So windy, it's literally like trying to lift the octopus off. But now that I'm sat, it actually looks nice and golden brown. Like it looks good, but will it taste good? Like I have no clue. All right, I'm about to hack off a piece. And this is like the head part, I believe. Tentacle. Okay. I know what it is, but I won't say anything. So now I'm gonna make Sarah's plate. All right, so like I said, basic ingredients, but we try to put them together smartly. I'm just trying to stack all the niceness. Make sure that there's some reds as well. All right, so that's what the bowl looks like just with that. Let me drizzle some of this in here lightly. Whew, I'm somewhat nervous, but anyway. I'm gonna cut the octopus up as thinly as I can. So even if it's a bit gummy, it's not like too much. It's not overbearing. Fun fact, the octopus was gray, but as soon as I pressure cooked it, it became purple. So funny. Whew. Could pass a chicken. So we're putting that all on top. And this is what our bowl looks like, yo. So of course I'm gonna give her more sauce. She'll put it on how she wants to. And a fork.
Alright, so I'm actually going to just try the octopus first because I want to see what it's like without the salad. So here goes nothing. So I could have passed the chicken. This is actually nice, yeah. The texture is very crunchy. I don't know if you guys could have heard the crunch, but it's not gummy.
It's not
And
gummy.
I was telling Stephen that I don't know if because it's fried, the chances of it being gummy would have been, you know, nil, but then put a trick rasta with this.
Could I trick Rasta already? Ha! Alright, try everybody together. The lettuce, the octopus, the sauce.
Alright, so this looks like I have everything on it ish.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Like really?
No, it is. No, this is really good. The crunchiness from the octopus,
Yeah.
the sauce, the lettuce is actually really fresh. Oh, I actually get that kick from the pepper.
The pepper from the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this is surprisingly nice.
It's the dimensions, man. A little bit of crunchiness to it.
Mm-hmm.
And it like there's a burst of juice. There's a sweet note. When you say sweet, it doesn't necessarily mean like sugar sweet, but
And surprisingly, the cilantro, I don't really taste it that much. And
not
is
cilantro.
mixed
You mean
before.
the watercress?
Oh,
The watercress has a very weird taste when you taste it by itself. But I think with the salad, it's very complimenting.
mm-hmm. Guys, the octopus is really nice.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel good. You heard that, baby? Vanilla, we did it again. We did it. All right, we know you want your piece. I'll get vanilla share. Come.
Yes, sir. Tastes nice?
I'm happy you like it though. This is my first time ever messing with octopus. I think once you kind of understand food, in terms of like what people say about it, and people say octopus gummy, just solve that problem and
I
like
think it's just how it's prepared.
how it's prepared, right?
But there's actually something that's sweet in this, you know. I can't tell if it's the
Getting another sweet flavor.
Yeah. You know, it might just be the pepper.
The pepper. I told you that pepper is sweet. I'm gonna leave back some of this for the next dish, as in like a mini salad.
Alright.
You like it for you?
The octopus surprised me.
It surprised you? Don't play with me,
No, it surprised
sis. Sorry. Don't play with me. Homeboy out here doing his thing. Oh snap! It's recording. Yo, the makaya, makaya my joke. But I'm gonna try this salad, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion.
It's a vibe.
I'm not the kind of guy that's gonna go to a restaurant and order a salad, but this one,
Yep.
yeah. The sweetness,
You taste it?
I'm getting the sweetness. Like there's a nice heat at the back of your throat. Like I can feel the heat from the that's on the cayenne in the sauce. The octopus is just there, meaning it's not rubbery. just tasted the watercress just now. There's a bit of bitter to it, but I like that element. When you're making a dish, it needs to be somewhat complex, but simple, because these are very simple ingredients, nothing special about them. But I am surprised about the octopus.
Just by looking at it, I could tell.
You can't finish that? Are you kidding me, bro?
You're my player.
Yo! That's funny, yo. That's funny. So, I mean, like, so far, being on the experiences, like, trying the food, like, have I failed you at any point in time? No? Okay.
Not yet. But I don't he will still, you know? But guys, I'm telling you, them could have really trick restaurant.
So, this is a new item in my repertoire now, octopus. I am gonna try another octopus dish. I have some jerk seasoning marinating on octopus right now. So if you guys want to see a video on that, if you're interested, just drop in the comments. Let me know. Drop a like on the video. And you guys know, like on this channel, it's all about like nature, food, hanging with cool people, and messing around with food, yo. Like food it's art, you know. The best part. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna finish up the salad really quick. But remember these 3 things. Oh, again, thank you, Sarah, for being on the video. I appreciate that. And
Not a problem.
take it out.
So remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the lake.
Stop by.
That's fine.
All right, bye.
Don't judge me.
Here comes Sarah.
Don't judge me.